Hello, I'm Mark Chatterton from MW Educational, and today I'm going to talk about a question that many parents ask. What is the difference between standard format and multiple choice format in the 11 Plus exam? Well, on the board behind me I've got two examples, one showing you the standard format type of question and answer, and secondly the multiple choice type of question and answer. First of all, let's talk about the standard question. Now, the standard question has been in the 11 Plus ever since it started, and basically all it means is that the child writes down the answer themselves on the question paper. So in the example we've got here for the standard question answer, Splash and Rice make something and something. What you have to do here is take one letter from Splash and add it somewhere to Rice to make two completely different words. Well, the letter you take is P, so you have to write what the two words are going to be for the answer, which will be slash and price. So that basically is what a standard type of question is. Anything that the child writes down themselves. Now, in recent years, multiple choice format for 11 Plus has come in, where the child has to make a choice of 3, 4 or 5 answers. Now, we've got exactly the same question, Splash and Rice make. This time there isn't a line for them to write the answer on. Instead, on a separate piece of paper will be lots of these little boxes with smaller boxes inside. Now, if you think of the lottery form that you fill in, you just put a little line across the numbers that you want to choose when you're doing the lottery. It's exactly the same with the 11 Plus multiple choice type of paper. Now, here we've got the box with 5 possible answers. They are taken from the word splash. Obviously they don't use S twice, but they've got S, P, L, A, H. So the child has to decide which of those letters you take out of splash and add to rice. You don't have to write the two new words in this case, so it's just looking for a letter. And as we know from the example 1, it's the letter P you take. So all the child has to do when answering the question is put a line like that across the box. The reason they do this is because instead of having human beings physically marking the papers as with standard papers, it's all fed into a computer and it's much quicker and easier. The problem you've got to remember is if you make a mistake, you must rub out the line that you've put on and put in a new line and make it clear what the right answer is. You can't scribble it out because that would just null and void that particular answer. So there we have it. Standard means write the answer yourself. Multiple choice means choose the answer and put a line in a box. Hope that helps you. If you are interested, we have got both standard and format papers that we produce, both in verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, English and maths, and they are available from our website mweducational.co.uk. Thank you.